第49页，文艺选填，绿化监狱，减少暴力。
How plants can reduce hostility and promote peace in prisons. Prisons are notorious for their reputation as violent and dangerous places. However, evidence suggests that introducing plants and green spaces into prisons can be beneficial. This idea is linked to the concept of biophilia, which refers to humans' deep, fundamental connection with all living things on Earth. Plants are believed to aid humans in various ways. First, as mentioned, there is humanity's association with nature. Improving people's emotional and psychological states can be achieved by establishing connections with other forms of life. Such a bond could be highly helpful in a prison, where inmates often feel isolated and disconnected from the outside world. Next, plants are thought to have a calming influence on humans. Specifically, they can reduce stress and anxiety and relieve feelings of depression. These mental health challenges are widespread in prison populations. Furthermore, these problems can often lead convicts to engage in aggressive or self-harming actions. As a solution, plants and green spaces can promote a more soothing atmosphere that can offset the often violent and tense environment of prison yards. Finally, from a more practical perspective, the responsibility of caring for plants can serve as a form of occupational therapy for prisoners. Assigning a prisoner the task of keeping plants alive provides not only a routine, but also a sense of duty to look after another life form. Thus, participating in plant care helps prisoners develop a sense of purpose and also cultivate feelings of compassion. Research into the positive influence of plants in prisons is still in its early stages. However, the evidence thus far suggests that in these confined spaces where people are forced to live together, the presence of plants appears to have a positive impact. Prison authorities worldwide should consider this idea as a means to make prisons more harmonious and help prisoners rehabilitate more quickly.